Outdoors turkey season started off pretty quick. I had never been turkey hunting before. My friend had some land in Fowlerville, Michigan. Said he had quite a few toms out there. Went to gander, picked up a decoy, just one hen, set it out there real early in the morning, about 15 minutes before sunrise. Started hearing some gobbles off in the distance. Waited a little while and just started doing some yelps, and before I knew it, the gobbles were getting closer and closer. We had two turkeys coming in. Looked over to our left, and all of a sudden there's a turkey 25 yards coming through the brush. Got the camera on as quick as we could. My dad was shooting right over my shoulder, and put it right on it.
Then you go to that kid. He's got a nice beard. Actually, it's about this long. This is awesome, man.
Tell you what, turkey hunting is a fun experience, something that I'm definitely going to do this year and years in the future. It's just something really unique. Didn't really think it'd be that fun, but man, it was a blast.